Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I usually do these the night before, and so then they're uploaded. So I'm actually like a day ahead. But I usually wait till after midnight. But my butt had to be in bed real early because my butt, as you're seeing this, is at the Van Gogh exhibit in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. As we speak, I'm entering the building because our tickets are for 11 o'clock. So I'm all stoked here. I've been up since about probably 5:30, 5:45, showered, and now I'm just sitting here going, 8:30, 8 o'clock, 8:30, 8 o'clock. That's when Diamond and Allie are picking me up, and then we're going to Milwaukee. So, let's see what day 22nd from Sabrina is. 25 days of Christmas, 22nd. Here we go. Ready, ready, ready? Let's see. I have no idea on this. None. It's soft and it's hard. Maybe she made me something homemade. So let's see. Ready? Oh, she gave me a bag. It's in a bag. Oh, boy. And it's taped. I don't know, woman. Oh. What is this? Man, girl, you're going to have me stocked up for fall. Whoa. Check this out. I see a black truck. And it says fresh pumpkins, 50 cents, pick daily. And it's got a black truck on the bottom. That is so cool. I tell you, I'm not going to have to pick anything up next year for fall. It's got me all stocked up. That's cool. I like how it looks. I don't know where she found that. But see, Sabrina's a shopper, so she finds good deals. That is so cool. Fresh pumpkins, 50 cents, picked daily, and then it's a truck and it's wall hanging. If I wanted to, I could like add to it. But I think I'm just gonna, I like the way it looks, so I think I'll just leave it the way it is. I'll turn it this way, maybe you guys can see it. So you have the fresh pumpkins, and then you have the truck. Yeah, ain't working that well. Thank you, Sabrina. I love it. Like I said, she's got me set up for fall. She's good. She had a good idea. Okay, where she hit, because we talked about this, let's see, in October, beginning of November. So she did shopping right after we talked about it and found the cool deals on all the fall stuff after the season. So that was a good idea, Sabrina. Thank you so much. I loved it. I will talk to you guys, and I can't wait to get back from today's trip and tell you all about the Van Gogh exhibit. I don't know if I can film in there, or because I told them, I said, I wonder if I could go film in there, because if I could, I'd be filming it so I could show you. But then I think I probably could get in trouble. But I'm hoping I can take a few pictures and nothing else. Show them on like my Tina's Crafty Life and Friends, at least. But thank you, Sabrina. I love it. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.